Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation for Cardano's situation on 23rd of November 2023. Looking forward to see the recovery of the flash crash we had in the crypto space, especially with the news coming out from the past 24 hours with CZ, Kraken Exchange, and many other things. We are having a pretty unstable moment. Yet this is not having a continuation towards selling pressure. It has been stopped pretty radical, and the buying pressure that has been put into plurality alts recovered the whole picture and moved them into the green sector, such as for the BTC and Ethereum. Just like you can see, Cardano is having a good time sitting above 4%, a lot better than many other altcoins out there. Before we get into the topic, make sure to check out my main YouTube channel as well, where we have bot trading, AI trading, and all sorts of performances. And then for those of you that value education and believe that it's important to take it to the next level in order to improve your results of your performance, make sure to work on the source of that, which is your skills and knowledge. I'm going to talk about a coaching at the end. You can also schedule up yourself a free conversation on my Calendly page. And for those of you that would like to join my done for you trading, feel free to reach out to check out. We're going to talk about in detail at the end of the video. So we're looking at the one-day candlesticks, guys. And the current situation here for Cardano is very impressive, especially from the fact that the decrease we had the 2 days before did not generated enough force and pressure in order to break the 2 weeks low. Not 2 weeks, but one candlestick wick and the other candlestick wick lows. Those two shadows, or wicks as we used to call on terms of technical representation, have not been broken by the selling pressure put together during 21st. It was just 6.39%. Meanwhile, some of the altcoins generated not only double digits, but they crossed 20% on that retracement. Of course, they did print in 150% on the whole pump during the entire 25 days. But again, for those of you that are believing that a cryptocurrency is having the ability to go 100% in a week and not decrease 30-40% in a market flash crash, you are pretty much not under the right direction of understanding how the chart is working. So the great support found at this level, right prior the golden rejection level between 39 and 40 cents. It is a very strong golden rejection level we have there, which is basically the ratio that is at the moment keeping us not allowing to touch the 46-cent top. So as soon as we clear that one, we go to the 46-cent top, but more on that is the ability to open the doors basically for 56 and 64 cents. 56 is right here, 64 is right there. Those two tops are very important and visible, achievable, to be broken, to be touched, and to be fighting with, especially with the bears at those levels. So in order to perform that, you need the current supply zone that is located on 42.43 to transform it into your demand. And as soon as that appears confirmed, which is a price action necessity on the market, and that takes a couple of days once you broke out, you need to confirm that. As soon as that happens, you're having the ability to push for 56 and 64 cents on Cardano's price action. If I'm measuring it from here, guys, this is not something that is impossible at all means. It's 47% on the 56, 48%, and then it's 66% on 64 cents right there as a target. Obviously, numbers might sound a little too high, especially after we have pumped from here. If you go to that one, it's 134% as a first target from the lowest point, and then the other one is sitting at 164. Now, if you look at historical price action and in the way the markets are having the ability to take off, these two targets that we have are definitely not any form of impossibility or extra enthusiastic positions that I would take. Definitely not. They are backed up by informations and the way the markets are behaving over a historical period of time, as well how does the charts are moving, considering that some of you might say you have a target at 46. How about that one as well? That target at 46 always act as a preparation in order for the market continuation for a much stronger movement as soon as it is expected to be above two major resistance levels. Number one is the golden ratio we're fighting with right now. Number two is the supply level, and then this one appears straight above. So it's most likely the roof of the movement that blocks for a limited period of time, and then the rocket takes off basically. This is how, traditionally speaking, when you have a structure of two zones acting as resistance, both of them are strong, and another line acting as a resistance as a top created by a major top of the past, this whole context that I'm actually speaking right now is basically great in order to continue a rally for 5764 targets, which is obviously not 300% or 600% predictions out here. We're actually talking about price actions that are pretty much near to us, and it's most of the time very, very achievable. So this is the current situation with Cardano. Let me just clear up the things here. It looks very bullish, guys. That's the greatest part. You are also confirmed by 20 days moving average, double support out here. Nothing to be afraid of or to deny at the end of the day. What about to be overbought right now and exhausted into purchasing? It's false, because in order to be like that on the daily, you definitely need to form a gap between the 100 days and 200 days moving average. That is substantial, at least 5% price action difference. Now, our case scenario is far away from that. We have not even broken out of 200 days, which is the blue line, and the 100 days is the light blue. We have not even crossing, let alone the fact that the light blue, the 100 days, must be much higher than the 200 days to form a gap between and that should be at least 5%. So definitely far away from that, folks. This has a lot to go. I mean, here with Cardano, in the way it's portrayed, it can easily have another great rally for the next couple of months, till the market is actually preparing for the major bull run that we're going to enter by the next year. So prepare yourself with all the information and skills needed in order to be able to do it efficiently. Whether we talk about a part-time or a full-time trader, make sure to reach out and find a one-on-one coaching with me intensively and comprehensively, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Register now for more information. Check out a video on our page and all the explanations, including the ability to schedule by yourself a free call with me on Calendly. All the links and resources can be found in the description area and comments area, including to our done-for-you trading that you can participate on any exchange, whether we talk about derivatives, futures, or spot market. You can join for any solution out here. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. We execute a whole process, and you take things automated. Pretty much every 7 days you have to pay the commission from the profits. That's pretty much all. That's it for the moment. Looking forward to it. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and have a good time.